What is up to all you wonderful people? My name is Ross Gaming, and I'm back with another episode of Robbery. This time we will be doing the very last level. It's the last level of chapter 3. I've played through this, so I know generally what I'm doing, but I don't know how to do it. I've done it a couple times, but it's easier to say you can do it than actually do it. Because you can do all this, and you gotta go through here. And of course you gotta go through here. I'm going here first. Put the money that's here. Where's the dude? Like this. Now run. Get out of here very quickly. Don't stop. And I did it. So, yeah. I'm going to be starting the new one in this episode. Alright, so now let's go on to chapter 2, Downtown. Yeah, I lose money every day. I think Robbery Bob should be get showed at. He just made someone drop his ice cream. You know how hard that dude worked to steal all that money to get that ice cream? Like, that's just messed up, Bob. I'm sorry for ruining your ice cream. It should be. But we're just gonna do 1 or 2 more levels after this, and then we're just gonna stop there. This is the best shop security I've ever seen. I'm not even gonna lie. Better make sure not to run too much. This dude's gonna hear me. Daily earnings is like €2. Well, it was pretty easy first level, but I suspect they're gonna get much more difficult. And let's upgrade my grab ability because you really need a max level. Right, so yeah, I'm just gonna finish this in the next level, and then I'm gonna finish up the episode here. That's probably gonna be it. I want to rob a space for weeks with the guard never let it posts. That's easy though. You don't need them. You don't even need to move from their posts. I cannot talk to this. What about it? Yep. Whee! Grab that. Grab these 2. Now I need to make you. Make it 9. Now you're gonna go over there, right? Oh, the stuffiness. Oh shit. I'm not here. Yeah, I'll leave the shop. I'm safe. Robbery Bob strikes again. Oh, Robbery Bob strikes again. Try saying that 10 times fast. I need to get in there. Okay. I need the key first. And I got the key. you do. So we're directly at the door. He doesn't turn around, does he? Because that's just gonna ruin my plans. I swear to God, my heart skips a beat whenever I like. Oh my God, it does, it does, it does, it does, it does. Really? So you saw me go in, but you didn't see me go out? It's like police in real life. They only see what they want to see. There's no point in going now. What would that do, say? No, nothing. Because I'm nice. I'm only going to steal stuff that they... Oh, I'm not going to steal stuff that's right in front of them. Because that makes all the sense in the world. Don't see me, don't see me, don't see me, you don't see me. Nice. What up? It helps guys if pick up items or valuables. Or if I run. I always forget to mention the most important stuff. Or if I run, it's gonna wear out too. If I just walk into him. Yeah, I'm just gonna mess with this dude. Can I push him into the... No, I want to push him like into another room. Just to like see what happens. No, I give up. They're oblivious, I swear to God. Alright, well, anyways, I would like to thank everyone for watching. This is probably a short enough video, but I just want to get this up. So I would like to thank everyone for watching, and I'll see you all later, or never again, because everyone's probably just gonna go tell everyone to not look up my channel. But I will see you guys later. Bye.